So now I have created my profile and this is the home page of uTest. Like you see here, my profile completion is 28%. Okay, our first goal inside uTest is to reach 100%. Okay, or at least like 90% or 80% of profile completion. Okay, if you complete your profile with a high percentage, this will increase your chances of being invited to new projects. So how can I complete my profile? So like you see here, we have created our account, we have confirmed our email address. But there are still 5 steps to do in order for our profile to be complete. The first step is to set up a payment method, connect it with the community, complete your profile, scan project board, and take a course at the academy. So let's go through those 5 steps and understand each one of them. First, you should set up your payment method. We have 2 payment methods in uTest and in most of freelance testing websites. We have Payoneer and we have PayPal. And depending on your country, your choice of the payment method might change. So me personally, for example, in the last 2 years, I was using Payoneer until there were some issues in Payoneer itself. So I changed to PayPal, which is good in Egypt nowadays, okay? But in your country, Payoneer might be better. And sometimes, like now in 2020, PayPal might be better. And next year, Payoneer may be better. So the best way for you as a freelancer is to have a profile in both of them, in Payoneer and PayPal. So like we see here, payment method is none. If I click on setup, we have PayPal or Payoneer. I'll just click on Payoneer. I should connect my profile with uTest profile, the same with PayPal, but I'll just choose it until now. If I have any pending payouts, they will be here and then they will be moved to my profile on Payoneer or PayPal on a monthly basis. So this is the first thing, the payment method. Then we have, let's go back to the home page. So like you see, I have set it up my payment method. Let's connect with the community. So uTest has a community. It is like a forum or a social network in which the testers of the platform communicate with each other. There is something that's called the feed. So inside this feed, there are some featured articles and there are some trends. So here, for example, he is talking about exploratory testing. When exploratory testing finds things that test cases don't, you can read those articles and gain knowledge from them. Okay, so let's like this article and say, for example, good article. This way I'm communicating with the uTest community. So let's go back to the home page. This is not checked yet, but it will be checked very soon. Communicate with the community. We can also like write a status, my first post here. Hello everyone. This is an example. Okay, share status. So let's see. Okay, it is not checked, but it will be checked very soon. Then we need to complete our profile. So we can add more devices. You can add your devices from your profile or from here, my devices, Windows 10, add devices. So here I can add more devices. If you have a mobile phone, an iPhone, any device, try to add it. If you have a smart TV, if you are subscribed to any entertainment service, add it also, like PN Sports, for example. So here we have the devices, mobiles and tablets, smart TVs. Let's say, for example, that I have a smart TV, a Samsung. Okay. And you can choose the model. Let's say 1, 2, 3. There are some models that are written on the TV itself. Let's say it's 2018. Sometimes they ask for smart TV testing. Okay, they test the applications that come with the smart TV. We have also gaming consoles, for example, like PS4. So if you have a PlayStation 4, this might be good if they want someone to test some games on it. Okay, the same with wearables and smartwatches and smart home devices. Do you have a car? In some projects, he asks for people who have cars. For example, there was a project in uTest which was asking for people in Egypt who have a car and a camera, and they wanted them to just capture photos of the streets that will be used in a GPS service. So this was a good project that had a good payout. Okay, that's why you need to fill all this information. There is also payment testing. So if you are subscribed to any e-wallet, if you have a bank account, add those services here. There is an important question: are you willing to do purchases with refunds? So in this case, you buy something from any website or any application, and then you get a refund on this thing. So me personally, I was checking this as yes when I was working on uTest, And because of this, I was chosen for a project at Nike. So they were testing the purchasing of shoes from Nike, okay? And in this case, I bought an item, got the receipt, then I canceled this order again. This was the only task in this project and I got paid for doing it. Then there are also the subscriptions. Like we said, if you are subscribed to any service, let's say be in sports, for example, so if there is testing with this service, he will call you and ask you to test it, okay? It's the same with internet service provider. For example, I can say, okay, I have an internet service provider, let's say it is we, okay, or it's Salat, this is in Egypt, and I have another one which is Vodafone, okay? All of this is important, let's say save. So those are the subscriptions. Then we have some statistics. The statistics are empty now because I don't have any testing history inside my profile. But later I will open my real profile and I will show you how do these statistics appear to anyone who really worked on uTest in the past. So let's go back to the home page. So like you see, connect with the community is checked and complete your profile will be checked very soon. So then we can scan the project support. So here we look at the projects that need specific characteristics. So here, for example, he is asking for voice testing with children in Catalonia. Here he is asking for testers to submit ID face to our customer interface. So here, those are the countries in Middle East. He is asking for Saudi Arabia and Qatar. So there is no Egypt, okay? Let's say this audio equipment testing worldwide. So in this case, you can apply, okay? He is asking to test many audio devices. So in this case, me personally, for example, I can apply to this project because I have a microphone and this might be helpful in testing this project. In this case, you fill all this data. He is asking for example, your uTester ID, which is this, okay, this number. You can get it from here and write it. Your rank, until now I'm unrated. This is unrated, but after working or participating in the academy, you will become a rated tester. Then you add the country and click next and fill this form. If they need your services, they will send you an email with all the information required. So let's return to the home page, then take a course at the academy. So like you see here, someone liked my status and commented on my status. So welcome to uTest. I can like this. So now I'm interacting with uTesters. And here I have a notification, like you see, Nayan C commented on your status. Let's return to the homepage. So like you see, my profile completion rate is increasing, okay? We need just to complete the profile and take a course at the academy. In the next video, we will talk about the uTest Academy and how to participate in it.